move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Marlboro Meadows, local and long-distance movers, near me. Getting a dream job or a promotion in the current company is a fascinating event in one's life. But nothing comes easy. You might have to move across the country or states to a whole new area with your family. Don't worry, we at 3 Men in a Truck are fully prepared to provide the best movers and packers services in Marlboro Meadows. Whether you need to move your residential stuff or your corporate office, we are licensed to provide an array of services to our clients. Our team will reach your home and disassemble all the furniture and other items to safely pack them in secure wraps and boxes. You might not want to hire professionals to get through a local move, but after you pack a few boxes, you know it will be a tough one. So, why waste your weekend moving things when you can do far more productive and important things? Therefore, people at Marlboro Meadows pick 3 men and a truck to assist them in their local move. We pack your goods and transport them to the new house in less time than you anticipate. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marlboro Meadows moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.